So Afnan have brought out a new perfume, which everybody's raving about it. So I thought I would get my nose on it. This is Kiaana Vibes. Let's get it open and get into it. Lovely box. Lovely colour. It's like a hot pink. Beautiful. Right, how are we opening this? Okay. This is like a sliding door. Ain't that pretty? How gorgeous is that? Stunning. Right, let's... the box is so luxurious. Look at the bottle. It's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice weight to the cap. Oh, you could do some damage with that. This is a fragrance for women. And the top notes are dragon fruit and pear. The middle notes are peony, frangipani and musk. And the base notes are patchouli, vanilla and amber. I am intrigued. Apparently this is a dupe, or at least an inspired by, La Bomba. It's the butterfly one. Let's check out the juice, shall we? Oh, okay. I didn't actually realise that I already have a dupe of La Bomba by a different brand. But this, because it smells, it's got to be, it's almost the same, but this is fruitier, it's juicier. Like you can really smell the pear in the opening. It's very prominent. And I'm taking it the dragon fruit. Don't really know what dragon fruit smells like. I'm not going to say that I do, because I don't. I don't think I've ever had dragon fruit in my life. I've seen it in the supermarket, and then everybody else says, no, it doesn't taste of much. It don't really taste. I'm like, well, I can't be bothered then. If it don't really taste of much, what's the point? That is really, really good. I do prefer it to the other one that I've got. It's very juicy. It's very sort of tangy, tropical. Don't really know what else to say about this. It's just got this kind of a dreaminess to it. You know when you smell something, you're just like, oh, it sort of stimulates something in your brain that just sort of makes you sort of a relaxed, dreamy state. I sound like such a hippie. That is just a beautiful concoction of fruit and flowers. And what else have we got? We do have like patchouli and vanilla and amber. Vanilla and amber, two of my favourites. That's a stunning, stunning perfume. And can we just appreciate the actual cap? I mean, it's heavy, but ain't it gorgeous? Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so I've never smelt the OG. I've heard on many occasions that this is better. I'm not throwing shade at the OG. Like I say, I've never smelt it. So yeah, that's beautiful. It's fabulous, from Afnan, and I got this from DXB Perfumes. I will link them below. So yeah, that is gorgeous. Fabulous. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.